What's up guys? Hello everyone. Today together we make vanilla ice cream or ice cream vanilla with two way, as you see, without machine, without Pacojet, and how to make it with Pacojet is fantastic recipe. I prefer you try it and let me know. You make with hand scoop or you make it canal is wonderful. You don't need ice cream machine to do it. We will make it together step by step and you will love it. Especially if you have Pacojet, this recipe you will make a lot of dessert the same. If you want to know how to make brandy snap or this chocolate garnish, you will find in my YouTube channel Sugar Emperor. I will leave the link in description box. If that first time to watch me, my name is Ahmad Younis. I am pastry champion of Africa 2011 and I work many years in cruise ship, so I know how to deal with a lot of quantity. 150 fresh cream, 500 gram fresh milk, 160 gram egg yolk, 150 sugar, 30 gram glucose, 1 vanilla stick, 1 gram of salt. We put glucose, milk, fresh cream together. After that we added the vanilla beans or vanilla stick. If you don't have vanilla stick, you can add it vanilla essence or vanilla sugar. The quantity different from company to company. Some vanilla is strong, some vanilla is light. So I prefer to have vanilla stick. So fresh cream, fresh milk, glucose and vanilla stick. We boil it together. Unfortunately, I don't make video when I added the glucose, but you know. When it's boiling, I close the fire. I leave it with aluminum foil at least 1 hour to infuse the flavor and aroma of vanilla. Different pan, I added sugar, egg yolk. I mix together. Then I make tempering. I bring a little of the hot mixture, mix it with egg yolk and sugar so it cannot be lumps, and then I return it back to the fresh cream. I cook again until have 80 degree or 82. Then I strain the whole mixture to prevent any lumps or any small egg cooked during the process. Then I strain very well, and here it is. If you have Pacojet, so you will fill it to the line below, almost 2/3. And this is very important because if you added over than the limit for Pacojet, you cannot mix with the machine unless you remove the extra. So the better way, just follow the line description in the calendar of machine. After 24 hours in 18 minus 18 freezer, here it is. You have ready vanilla ice cream. Then you put in Pacojet. You start. It takes almost 50 to 60 seconds, maybe less. 6, 7 until 10.4. That means should be 10.4. That means you added extra. So I remove from Pacojet. As you see, it's extra. You have to follow only the line to avoid this. Then with the hot spoon I can make beautiful cannel, and I added the garnish or presentation. Here it is when if you don't have ice cream machine, what to do. So you keep the mixture 2 hours in the freezer. After 2 hours you remove and you use hand mixer. Hand mixture, it makes fluffy, it makes it soft and increase the volume. So the volume is very important during ice cream, because if you don't make this process it will be intense. Depending from freezer to freezer. In my freezer -18, I keep 2 hours. Maybe in your freezer you keep it 2, 3, maybe 1. From freezer to freezer is completely different. So I keep your judgment to know if it is necessary to keep it 1 hour more. This process will make it 3 times. I keep it 2 hours, 3 hours in the freezer, then I took out, I mix with hand mixer, then I return it back for 2-3 hours, then I take out, I mix again, as you see. And very important that you use your hand all over the way. To make sure there is not strong or lumps in the mixture, and from time to time you can see they increase the volume and becomes more fluffy. This is the third time, as you see. Some freezer, if not strong, you can keep for 4 times. It's depend about your freezer. From freezer to freezer is different. This last time, as you see, it becomes strong. I use hand mixture. You can see it's make mark. The whisk make mark when you mixing the ice cream. As you see, this is wonderful consistency. I can keep it 1 hour again. After that I can ready to serve. So I mix it, I keep it for 1 hour, then I can serve my ice cream a la mini. So we have 2 ways to make ice cream, with or without ice cream machine. And we will use this for next video. After 1 hour you can see, wow, so nice, so soft, and I can use it for my restaurant, for my guest, and I can add it any type of garnish. It's depending on you. To keep it nice, to keep it touch is very important. Thanks for watching my channel. Please, if this first time to watch my channel, make subscribe, activate the ring to have all new video. Please leave comment and tell us what you want to know in pastry. Again, thanks to being in my channel, Ahmad Yunus, Sugar Emperor.